installation. The 2-feet antenna shown in this video is an Andrew antenna, which has a tilt mechanism that must be assembled to the antenna. Make sure to use grease in the marked places indicated in this video. Using grease will prevent seizing between bolts and nuts. You should also use grease on the bracket that connects directly to the antenna to make the up and down alignment smoother. Use the short bolt as the pivot bolt in the middle of the bracket. The antenna adapter comes in vertical position by default. If you have to change the polarization to horizontal, use a 5mm Allen key to open the two bolts, twist the adapter 90 degrees, and then tighten the bolts back. On the radio, the vertical position is marked with a V and the horizontal position is marked with an H. Before connecting the radio, make sure the O-ring is in its proper place on the antenna side. Use a 6mm Allen key to fasten the 4 captive bolts to the mediation device. Cross-tighten the bolts and torque to 20 Newton-meters. From vertical to horizontal, remove the radio, remove the adapter's bolts, twist the adapter 90 degrees, and retighten the bolts. Twist the radio 90 degrees counterclockwise and connect with the 4 captive bolts. Cross-tighten the bolts and torque to 20 Newton-meters. Use a 17mm wrench key to tighten the nuts connecting the alignment mechanism to the pole. Torque to 38 Newton-meters and make sure the antenna is in the required azimuth before tightening.